Coming soon to a streaming device near you. It's Richy's Radio Room.
What the hell is that?
It's electronics repair.
But wait! There's more!
It's kit building.
I'm going to show step by step how to build electronic kits for fun and that you can use in your shop. Things like the Pixie 4.1, an oscilloscope, the Z Golf Juliet 45 watt HF RF amplifier, a signal generator, a frequency counter crystal checker.
We're not done yet.
There'll be lots of product reviews, Summit's on the air, Park's on the air, Island's on the air, lots of ham radio, and other things that are just plain nerdy and quirky.
Oh, I know what that is. Well, what the hell is it?
It's an electronic repairing, kit building, product reviewing, soda, poda, ham radio, nerdy and quirky, drone crashingly good time.
You could learn a lot from a dummy.
This is Richy's Radio Room.